Hello friends, welcome to a new video from Tech Tips. Today I will show you how to download and install TikTok app on Windows 11. Windows does now integrated Android apps into its store, so users can download and use them directly, without the need of a third-party Android emulator. To download and install TikTok on your Windows 11 PC, type Microsoft Store in the search bar. In the top Microsoft Store search bar, type TikTok and click on the Install button. Wait for the download and install to complete. From the same panel, select the Open button to launch the app. Now you can start using TikTok. You can watch videos right away, you can log in into your account, or create a new directly from the application. If you have any more questions regarding the installation process, or maybe you have some suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.